The Hamilton STAR is a flexible, modular, and powerful liquid handler. Whilst its applications are almost unlimited due to its modularity, it's particularly popular for drug discovery and cell work. Although the setups vary, our Hamilton STAR will use core grippers to move labware within the Hamilton deck, an iSWAP arm to extend to devices outside of the deck, and patented Core 2 tips to facilitate precise movement of liquids and allow fine-tuning of liquid classes. We've also set up our Hamilton STAR with a BioTek plate washer and a CLARIOstar plate reader, both of which the Hamilton can move plates to. So here's how you run an experiment on a Hamilton STAR using Synthace. First, make your workflow in Synthace. Choose Hamilton as the execution mode. Select the deck configuration which matches your current setup. In our case, we've got 4 tip carriers and 3 plate carriers. Although the carriers are interchangeable, if you do change them, you'll need to upload and select the new deck configuration in Synthace, and that's not covered in this video. If you want your input or output plates to be in a specific deck position, you can specify that here. Then click Simulate. Synthace will digest the information from your workflow and generate instructions for your Hamilton, shown in the Preview tab. So now let's send that information to the Hamilton by clicking Schedule. This will turn that simulation into an execution, which will pop up on a local software called Synthace Hub, which will be on the computer next to your Hamilton. So open up Synthace Hub and navigate to the Executions tab, and you'll see your execution there. Before we start the run, we'll need to set up the Hamilton deck. To do this, click Show Preview on the Synthace Hub execution, and then we can set up the Hamilton to match this layout. First, load your tips. Since the preview showed us how many tips we'll use, we don't always need a full rack, but the Hamilton will always take from the top left. Then load the output plate and input liquids. Then back on Synthace Hub, just press play. The device plugin window will open. This shows all the actions that the Hamilton is performing. You don't need to interact with this, but you can use it to pause or abort an execution. The Hamilton will kick into action and pick up tips, aspirate your input liquid, and dispense it onto your output plate. The channels can behave independently, so they can dispense at the same time or separately. If you have a 96 head and have specified a workflow step in which you transfer one volume of liquid from a reservoir into a 96 well plate, the 96 well head will kick into action. Once the run's finished, the device plugin on the computer will say method complete. And that's how you run an experiment on a Hamilton STAR using Synthace.